the secret of the Millennium Puzzle. He is infused with ancient magical energies, for destiny has chosen him to defend the world from the return of the Shadow Games, just as the brave Pharaoh did. I refuse to lose!
What's up, y'all? So we got this crazy opening going on. You want to win these 3 cards, there'll be one lucky winner. Blue Eyes, Red Eyes, Dark Magician. Just, comment something in the comments, and I'll pick a winner. And you also get one other card, the signed one by me. I don't know if you care about that, but you get that as well. There we go. Sorry. Woo. Here we go. This is just here for, I don't know, because I pulled this one time. If you want to check out my channel, I actually got this from a one pack magic type of video, so please check that out. That's actually a really crazy video. It's I think it's a short, so let's get into this crazy box, y'all. Crazy box. Ghost from the Past, the second haunting. I opened up the first one. If you haven't seen that on my channel, please check that out. Alright. In the first one, I did not pull a ghost rare. I'm just gonna tell you guys that. But I did pull a really crazy card. A card a lot of players might like. So check out my first Ghost from the Past video after you're done watching this one, of course. Here we go. Oh, this is crazy, even to me. Display, y'all. A display. Look at this. This is insane. First mini box. If I pull a ghost rare from the first one, I will give away one of the boxes. Look, this one's upside down. Maybe that's a good luck. Yeah, that's the only upside down one, y'all. That was crazy. So if this is if we get a ghost rare from the first box, I will give away one box to y'all, and I will probably make separate videos from the rest. But if that doesn't happen, we're gonna open up everything right now. So it all depends on this first box. Ooh. I gotta make a better little setup here. Here we go. Can we get a ghost rare? Look at that. We got Dark Magician Girl right here. Can we get a Dark Magician Girl ghost rare? That'd be insane. That would be super insane. Dark Magician Ghost Rare. No, Dark Magician Girl Ghost Rare. There's no Dark Magician Ghost Rare. Sorry, Yugi. Or the Pharaoh, whatever. But we do have a Blue Eyes Ghost Rare in this set. Hopefully we can pull that. That would be super awesome. There's also a Red Eyes in this set. I showed you guys I have a Red Eyes in my collection. I pulled it from a one pack video. So, here we go. By the way, if you guys don't want to miss out on any other videos before it's too late, hit that like button. The like button, that helps me out. But hit that subscribe button. That helps you guys out. Okay. If you hit that subscribe button, that helps me out too. Honestly, I like that button much better. Blue Eyes, Dark Magician Girl, Cyber, Dragon, and another Dark Magician Girl. Look, these 2 Dark Magician Girls, I feel like one is blue or one is more purple. That is quite interesting. We're going to leave those 2. No, we're going to open them up right now. I'm trying to get that Dark Magician Girl Ghost Rare or the Blue Eyes Ghost Rare. I don't really have a preference. Here we go, guys. We might start flying through these. It's just going to be ultra rares all day. Trying to see if we pull anything good. There's not many good ultras. Ooh, Red Eye Zombie Necro Dragon. That's just a cool card, honestly. It's nothing crazy, nothing valuable or anything like that. Vision Hero Poisoner, Alright. Let's hit the Blue Eyes pack. Let me put up the music a little bit. There you go. Dramaturge of Despia. Salamangreat Blaze Dragon. There you go, guys. Crystron Halky Fibrax. Whoa! That's cool. In this set, I don't think it's valuable, but there's other sets, and I mean, this is a good, like, card anyways. Ghost Trick. Yo! Ooh! Mystic Shine Ball. I like getting these for some reason. Turn that down a little bit. There we go. Next pack. Last pack of this first mini box. The Agent of Force Mars. Despia Theater of the Branded. The Agent of Love Neptune. Despian Tragedy. Vampire Duke. I like a lot of these, like the way these cards look. Too bad they're not worth much. And I don't even know if they're playable or anything, but let's try to get that Ghost Rare, guys. Next box, the one that was right up front. Okay. Oh, I like this one. Hold on. Yeah. Ghost from the Past, Second Haunting. Insane. We got this one right here now. I forget this guy, Red Dragon Archfiend, maybe, possibly. Let me know in the comments, guys, what you think of this opening. Also, don't forget, you know, I'm gonna pick a person in the comments who's gonna win the opening. I mean, the cards in the beginning that I showed you guys. Oh, Quintet Magician, that's cool. Alright, next pack. Oh, this one feels super duper heavy. Super duper heavy. Come on, guys. Can we get, like, I don't know, a God pack, whatever that means. Chimera Tech Fortress Dragon. Looks crazy. Let's see what's the next card. Tiny Spirit Adara. Okay. First decent ultra, I would say. Ghost Trick Stein. Tiny Spirit Stana. I just signed one of these guys for you. It's pretty cool, though. Alright. Ooh, Red Eyes Zombie Necro Dragon. Another cool card. Alright, Dark Magician Girl. Give us a Ghost Rare. Or, what is it? Aliber? Aliber. I think that's in this set. We need an Aliber. Mystical Shine Ball, cool. Okay, that was 2 boxes already. Nothing crazy, honestly. Those 2 boxes. Wow, okay. These gotta make up for it. I'm not sure what I'll be opening up in my other video, but it might be a booster box of something, guys. So, you know, keep an eye out for that. Not sure yet what I'm gonna open, but it's gonna be really cool. Dark Magician Girl, come on. Show us what you got. Ghost Trick Scout Boss. Spectre. Oh, okay, that's a cool card. And that's a cool card. Alright. Cyber Dragon. Come on, guys. Send me that energy. I already see a Vampire Kingdom. Decent card. Alright, come on. Vision Hero Increase. Cool, 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 cool. Alright. This is not the Plunder Patrol we're looking for. Hold on. Hold on, guys. I got a good feeling. Let me slow down. We've had a lot of bad packs so far. We need something to make up for it. What's behind this card? Nothing. Nothing. Nothing was behind that card. Sandwich. Rookie Warrior Lady. Borderland Dragon. That is nice. There we go. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. We got some good Yu-Gi-Oh music. Let's go. Doom King. Ballard Roach. Okay, cool. Nothing crazy. Not crazy at all. Last pack from this box. I guess we're opening up everything, y'all. Ooh, another Ashuna. No, we got an Adara. Now we got an Ashura. Ashuna. The Tinny Spirits are decent. From what I've heard. Okay, 9 Pillars of Yang Zing. Outburst Dragon. Vampire Domination. Let me move this light a little bit. I don't know if that's gonna help. Ooh. That like looks like a rare, but that's an ultra rare. You can barely see a holo on this card. That's insane. The Flute of Summoning Karibo. Wow, you could barely see any holo on that. Like it. Wow. Okay. It's really weird. This is what we're gonna do. 2 boxes left. I feel like doing a mega pack or something like that. Yeah, let's do a mega pack, y'all. Let's do a mega pack. If you guys don't know what that means, I'm not gonna spoil it. Just wait and see. Okay, this is how we're gonna do the mega pack. We're gonna put these guys back here a little safely, you know, kind of in my way. Okay, Dark Magician Girl right here. I believe the Ghost Rare is gonna be the one in the back, so we're gonna do this. 2 stacks. Blue Eyes, come on. I really want that Blue Eyes though. I kind of want it more than the Dark Magician Girl a little bit more, but I'm almost like equal on them. I don't know. You could also get the Red Eyes, but I've already gotten that. So what's that? Get that out of there. There's that first mega pack. We're gonna open up the other box. I think some of you guys have the idea what that means already. Mega there. Let's go. Oh, these looked weird. Look at that. They were flipped. I mean, this one was flipped and then... Oh my gosh. I don't know what... That probably means nothing. That probably means nothing. I don't know. Are we gonna get crazy lucky today, guys? Oh, this is a smooth song. Listen to it. I like that. Last pack. This is the one that was the other way around. It's gonna be all the way in the back. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna be careful with it. I'm gonna hold these cards carefully, I promise you guys. Alright, here we go. For the moment that we've all been waiting for. Ghost from the Past 2. Mega pack made from 2 little mini boxes. Hit that like button if you like this so far. I know you're gonna like it way more right after this. Just hold tight, y'all. Sit tight. Hit that subscribe button. Here we go. Code generator. I'm gonna turn up the music a little bit. Primaritech Laplacian. Ooh, nice. Ghost Trick Mary. Also very nice. Tenny Spirit Vishuddha. That was very nice. I'm gonna put that guy back there. Oh, okay. I like this mega pack already. And this, we're not even on the potential Ghost Rare pack yet. Vision Hero, Poisoner. Protector of the Agent's Moon. Fossil Machine Skull Wagon. Okay. It's calming down a little bit. Despian Comedy. It's not too bad either though. Yang Zing Brutality. Hold on. Elemental Hero Neos Kluger, but let me listen to the song a little bit, guys. I might have to fast forward it. Yeah, let me fast forward. Oh, it's kind of chill. Yeah, I'm gonna fast forward. I don't know what's about to happen in the song, but just sit tight. Drop that hit, yes, he said. Ooh, let's go. Ghost Trick Lantern. Advanced Ritual Art. Samsara Dragon. I don't know a lot of these. Rise of the Mega Monarch. Cool. Rose Spectre of Dawn. Ooh, an OG looking card. Vampire Sorcerer. They keep having stuff on them. Maybe that was me. I really like how this one looks though. Alter guys, you know what? Ooh. I don't know. Elemental Hero Neos Kluger again. Inzektor Hornet. Okay, Master Hyperion. Come on, guys. Vampire Grace. Send me that luck. Send me that energy. Protector of the Agents. Ghost Trick Dullahan. I mean, we're not even looking for a Ghost Rare. Why am I talking like that? We need good Tenyi Spirits. And we need, I think it was Aliber, y'all. Despian Comedy. Primaritech Rampage Dragon. That's a good card. Ghost Trick Mare. Honestly, I think we've already won on this part. Because there's no Ghost Rare in this pack. The Ghost Rare is going to be right there, y'all. Vampire Tenyi Spirit Nahara. I feel like we got all the Tenyi Spirits. I'm not sure. Planet Patrol Mork. Fossil Warrior Skull Knight. Last card in here is going to be a 0/0. Tenyi Spirit Adara. Okay, so we got 2 Adaras. Here we go, y'all. This is the moment. There's a little ding on that back card. The last one we had. The one that was upside down. I hope that's not the Ghost Rare. But honestly, I hope we get a ghost rare anyways. So first card was not a ghost rare. Y'all ready? The Agent of Entropy, Uranus. Alright, let's slow it down this time. Malefic Cyber and Dragon. Zector Sword, Zict Caliber. Vampire Sucker. It's a monster. This is what we need. Dark Magician Girl. I hope. Oh, the Agent of Mystery. Vampire Sucker again. Okay. I'll leave it like that so I keep them together. The Agent of Miracles, Jupiter. We have one more card, y'all. One more card. You guys know what to do. Oh, ouch. Cocatorium, the heavy metal alien. Lots of cool cards, but no ghost rare. If you're not gonna get a ghost rare, I guess this is a decent scenario right here. Glad we got a bunch of tinny spirits. Damn. All right. Like, subscribe, comment. Peace.